This is so hard.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Hey guys, it's Kyle.
And JD.
And today we have a story for you about how we wasted like 8 hours on stock. So we've been uploading, we're about 3 months in now, we've been uploading videos and photos to a lot of different websites. This story particularly pertains to the videos. We've been uploading to Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and Pond5. Thank you. Drawing a blank there. And part of our strategy now has been to find more sites that we can upload the videos to, right? Because we want to grow it, we want to make more money. So one of the first sites we went to, because I had heard from various sources.
Other people on YouTube.
Right, we'd heard from various sources that this is a good one to go to, was StoryBlocks or VideoBlocks. And so I started uploading and I got our entire portfolio, all the videos that we had previously submitted to Adobe Stock.
How many videos was that?
It was about 500.
Okay.
It was about 500 videos. I got them all uploaded. And
not to mention all the bandwidth that took up too.
Oh my
to
gosh.
upload it and like eat through our internet data too.
Yes. So we got all these uploaded, and then I went through and I spent the time to attach all the metadata, which took me like...
Oh, so it didn't upload, the metadata didn't upload with the... Okay.
No, it didn't upload with it. So I had to go back through and I had to reattach it. So we were uploading, I uploaded these 500 videos to StoryBlocks, and I went ahead and I reattached all the metadata. They've got all their tags and everything, great. And I just started submitting. I got my first like 26 of them approved. Awesome. We're on a new website.
What was your approval rating?
I think 100%.
That's
I think
awesome.
I submitted 26 to start out and they took them all. So
That's
cool.
Great.
Like, great, we got another website. And then about a week ago, this was about last week, I get on and all of my videos are gone. I can't upload any new videos.
I didn't know that they were gone.
Yes.
I didn't know they're like deleted.
Yes. So all the ones that I hadn't submitted yet were gone. I was like, where did they go? And then I found the 26 that were approved and those were still there. And then I started exploring around the dashboard a little bit more and this message pops up and it says that, I gotta go back and look at the exact wording of this, but basically to the effect that because of declining contributor sales, they've decided to do a new model where they're gonna have a more exclusive contributor library where you can sign up, you can become one of their exclusive contributors, and there'll be less competition for them, but they'll have better content, blah, 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 blah. Basically it's saying that it's gonna be better for everybody all around. And here I am, literally like the week before, just spent hours uploading to their site.
Tons of bandwidth.
Tons of bandwidth.
Tons of time.
And
yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah. So that was a big change, I think, that did you say you heard something about it beforehand or you weren't really sure what it was?
After I read that, I do remember that I had seen, I think another YouTuber had mentioned something about it, about them changing their policies, and I just didn't put two and two together, didn't make the connection, and I went ahead and uploaded all that. And
so what are their new policies now? Do you know like what they're doing, how they're
I'm not exactly sure about that yet. I know that their new, generally I know that their new outline is gonna be, you have to apply. I think right now they said that they don't have spots available, but they will open that up in the future. So it's gonna be a lot more exclusive and a lot more restrictive.
So if you are an accepted contributor, you'll probably be making more money, fingers
Probably.
crossed, hopefully.
Yeah.
But if you are not already, if you're not already accepted as a contributor by VideoBlocks/StoryBlocks, then chances are you're gonna have to wait.
You're SOL.
Yeah, you're gonna have to wait until they open those doors again to accept new contributors.
Right.
Are you planning on, whenever they do open up their doors again, like, do you want to try to apply to them? Like, do you want to,
I mean,
what are your thoughts on that?
I'm probably gonna read into it more at this point. And honestly, I think before I start uploading to any site, I wanna read into them a little bit more. I think that's kind of what I've taken from this, is that I just kind of blindly said, okay, this one looks good, I'm gonna start uploading to them. And I didn't do research ahead of time to figure out.
I didn't either.
Right, like if they're gonna be good, how long they're gonna be around, what kind of, what their sales might look like.
But unless you saw it on the front page, like I don't know as a new contributor, like how you would find out about something like that, unless you're like reading their newsletter all the time or
there you go.
Opening up every single email that they send you.
There you go. I mean, I figure you could at least do a little Google search to try and figure out ahead of time kind of where that site is going.
Yeah.
And so what I would do is if they do reopen their contributor thing, I would want to read about it first to make sure, again, that I'm not wasting my time just uploading to their contributor site, and then maybe, you know, a month down the road they say, you know what, we're just shutting everything down.
Yeah, but at least you got 26 video files up on there.
Hey, but those are also going away too. They said they're gonna slowly phase those out.
So they're like deleting what they've already accepted.
Exactly. So yeah, I think out of this whole experience, my takeaway from it is do more research than we did.
Yeah.
Learn from our mistakes.
Yeah, don't spend 8 hours of time uploading all this content and manually doing all the metadata tags and all of the bandwidth that you're wasting if this is gonna happen.
Yeah.
But we are in the neighborhood to look for some new sites to upload to. So if you guys have any recommendations on different new video sites to upload stock to, let us know. Write that down in the comments below.
Yeah, let us know what your favorite ones are, and then we'll research the crap out of them.
Yeah.
Before we start submitting.
If this story was helpful to you, please hit the like button below. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe, hit the bell icon. We give new information every week or every other week right now on just stock photography, our stock photo and stock video journey. So yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Oh no, it's in your bra again. Probably. There it is.
How'd you find it?
Is it StoryBlocks or VideoBlocks? All right.
That's good.
One of those is gonna work.